I have an if statement here that does a check to see if a particular folder exists on a particular table, and if it does, I want it to run these two selects. So if I run it, I get the two selects. Just to do some negative testing, if I say if my if statement isn't true, it shouldn't run anything. If I run this, it runs the second select. Why is that? An if statement, if you don't put a begin and end on an if statement, it will run the very first SQL element, be it a select, an update statement, or whatever. It will run the first one, and then it will ignore the if logic for everything else below it. So the range at the minute of my if statement is this select and nothing more. So regardless of it being true or false, the if statement stops here, and this select will run regardless. So in order to fix it and make my logic correct, I need to put a begin and end to say that my if statement begins and ends within this. Now, if I run that, I don't get anything because there's nothing to return. If I change that to 1, I now get, we are here, 1 and 2. And if I add a third one, and I will run that, we can see all three. Now, if I were to take it out and put it in here, and change that to be 0, it doesn't run 1 or 2 because it's not true, but it does run the third.